Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to change Facebook page URL. It is super easy. As you can see, I am into my Facebook account and I have already switched to my Facebook page, right? So we are on the home page. We need to click on the page name and we will be on the profile page, right? Here we need to click on settings. In the settings we need to click on page setup. In the page setup we need to click on name. Here is the option of username. We just need to edit it. Here we can simply type our business name, or you can say the username, right? Whatever we want the Facebook page URL to be, right? We can't use spaces in between the words, right? So it's in spite of spaces we can use full stop or like dash, underscore, whatever, right? So whatever the username you want to be, you can keep it here, right? And the new URL of our Facebook page will become this if we click on save changes. So this was how you can change your Facebook page URL. If you want to learn digital marketing course, then kindly check the video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. You can simply visit my website, you can explore the course and directly purchase it from there. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.